Welcome to Rai Ramen.
Rai Ramen. We got introduced this by
Me, and I got introduced this by my mom.
It's like 90 degrees out here, and we're gonna be eating some ramen. So yeah, let's check it out.
So right off the bat, the vibes are here. They're here in the room with us. The vibes are here in the room with us. They're here. Look around at the decor and the colors and
The water.
it's lemon water.
Honestly, no.
Okay.
It's just water. Is it lemon water?
Yeah, you don't taste the lemon.
I don't really taste the lemon at all.
Well,
It's just more like water.
what does that mean? It's literally lemon water. Like I can taste the lemon. Does it taste like lemon water to you?
Very light citrus, but I do taste this.
Now that you mention it, it's really subtle, but that probably
It's not
is
subtle at all.
It's not subtle. I can taste it.
You guys can all taste it.
Yeah.
I can't taste that.
Okay, let's see what everybody got. Let's get into it. What'd you get first, cameraman?
Chicken katsu curry ramen.
Oh, I got that kimchi ramen, dog.
Hakata ramen.
Wakame ramen.
Okay, itadakimasu. Let's first try the broth. Very flavorful, very rich, a little bit of spicy. You got that kimchi touch to it. Excellent. 9 out of 10.
Very savory. A little flavors like spicy. Very yum.
It's hot.
Okay.
I would say that the char siu is really good though. Gives a nice meaty flavor. Really developed.
That's good.
Well, it was good commentary. That's good. That's no comment.
Where's the seaweed?
No, that is seaweed. Well, wakame is like
Oh,
kelp.
wakame.
I didn't even have. I didn't even have to ask, but Ramen Sensei made the usual extra sugoi. Yeah.
So itchy fishy. And the char siu, it's really salty, but it's so good. I love it.
Amazing. I mean, super hot, super flavorful, perfect distribution, very good.
I don't know what kind of meat this is that they gave me. It's not like the usual char siu that they give you. It's good, but it is a little chewy. Like it. The thing I really like about char siu is how tender and soft it is, and it just kind of melts in your mouth.
Something like the radish at the end hit so hard at the end because it just makes the end. There's also some ginger in there too, surprisingly. Loved it.
It's really good. Really good.
Really good. Really good. Yummy.
Okay, final thoughts. I love mine. I would give it an 8.5, but only because it's not my favorite. Chicken curry katsu is definitely my favorite. I would give that one a 9.5. Glazed maybe, but it's great. I like that one a lot.
Mine was really good. Simple flavors. Char siu was good. I'll give it a 7 because I had better. The broth was really good, but it was lacking something. I feel like. But if they had another flavor added to it, I'd probably give it a higher score. 10 was pretty much it.
It was pretty good. I got the kimchi ramen because My favorite ramen place in town, Tenkaiken. I normally get their kimchi ramen, but they shut down recently. But it was pretty good. I mean, Tenkaiken's still on top, but I give it around an 8.27345 repeating.
Oh, I'd say 8.9.
Oh, that's
Thanks for tuning in to this food review, freaks. I hope you enjoyed watching us slurping down on some oishi ramen. Ramen Sensei made it extra sugoi, and I can say that for a fact. I would recommend this place.
Definitely check them out. Leave a review. I'm gonna leave a Google review, get some exposure out there because I honestly think this is a very good, cool place. Yeah.
The lemon water was a cool touch. Alright.
But yeah, definitely come by, check it out. I'm really full right now. That was really fulfilling. Now let's get a sweet little treat.
See you in the next.
Bam.